Welcome once again, my friends. It's time for another traditional recipe on Realize Guyana. Today we're going to be doing no other than the popular sirnie, which you get at Muslim functions mostly. And for this recipe, we're going to be using 1 pound of flour, 1 pound margarine, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 can evaporated milk, approximately 1.5 cup of cream soda. So this is going to be the cream soda sirnie. 1 cup raisins, which we have soaked for a bit to get them a bit soft. Half a cup of preserved cherries. Half tablespoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of essence. You can use either almond essence or mixed essence, which one you like. 1/4 cup of peanuts, which usually goes into this sirnie as well. So we just crush them, and when you're crushing them, if you're gonna use it if you're gonna do that in a mortar, don't pound it too much. You just are breaking them apart. So we just tap them lightly with the pestle, and you can see there, it's not dust, it's just broken up. Alright, that's what you want. You don't want to pound it too much to make it to dust, to a powder. Alright, so that's the nuts, and that completes our ingredients now. So having said that, let's get started, guys. So the first thing, we're going to add our butter to our karahi. So we are melting our butter here. Once this is melted, we'll continue. Alright, so now we're going to throw our flour in there. And you want to parch this after it's mixed properly. But you're not going to parch this brown. You don't want it to parch too brown. So as you can see, this is hold together properly. If it was lumpy, then you have to add some more butter, but that's enough butter there. That tells you the stickiness of it holding together tells you that there's enough butter there. So now we're gonna parch this until it gets you're gonna parch this until it gets a light brown, not a golden brown. So you just have to keep turning occasionally for it not to burn. Alright guys, so we've been turning this for 15 minutes now, and that's how long you need to turn this in order for it to loosen up like this. So if you can remember, before we were turning it, it was sticky all together. So once it gets to this consistency here, you know that it's cooked. And you want to parch this. You don't want to parch it too brown, because sirnie is not a dark something. It's light in color, so you want to parch it, but not to a dark color. So this is ready now for us to continue, and we will continue. Alright, so now we're gonna add the milk, evaporated milk. And you're gonna mix that in. Now our cream soda. That's very pretty there, isn't it? So raisins. And I said you soak your raisins a little bit before so they get a bit soft. And our sugar now. Cherries. That's our cinnamon powder. And our chopped nuts. And that's our essence. So now the mixing begins. And we set our stove to the lowest here right now. So we have turned up our stove again now to get us going. And then once it starts going, we're going to take it down back to medium. See our Sirnie is taking shape already. Can you see that? So if you need some exercise, this is something good to make. Oh, this is getting very hard to turn. See how smooth that is? That's your Sirnie right there. So you're gonna turn off our stove now. And that's it. Remove this from the heat. So you don't want this to cook anymore. And that's it. Okay guys, so look at that. Look at our Sirnie, delicious Sirnie. Came out perfect. Okay guys, so here's our finished product. Isn't that looking delicious? Came out perfect. Our cream soda Sirnie. Look at that. So if you like this recipe guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.